Welcome to today's Echelon Experience, your daily source for headline news. This is Kimberly Lee with your update for today. In a major victory for election transparency, a California state appellate court has rejected Democrat Attorney General Rob Bonta's emergency writ to stop Riverside County Sheriff Chad Bianco's investigation into a reported 45,000 vote discrepancy in the Fist Other Con. November 2025 special election on Prop 50. Sheriff Bianco, a Republican candidate for governor, seized approximately 650,000 ballots after a citizens watchdog group flagged the mismatch between ballots received and votes officially counted. His team of investigators had already begun a hand count estimated to take just 5 days when Bonta's office demanded they halt, calling it a fishing expedition and claiming Bianco lacked authority. Bianco fired back. "This isn't about yes or no votes. It's simply counting the total ballots and comparing them to the Dominion machines. Why would Bonta want to stop a lawful count unless he fears what it might reveal?" The court's rejection keeps the investigation alive, as Bianco continues his fight for answers amid accusations of Sacramento interference. All eyes are on Riverside County and what the full count might uncover. Stay tuned. And that will do it for today's Echelon Experience. Join us on the Montaga podcast for more. Every Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, 8 p.m. Eastern, on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, X, and Rumble. See you then!